Hi, Georgianne Hoover with Coldwell Banker Realty of Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This is an estate home up in the foothill estates of Lake Havasu. It's 2010 Circula De Hacienda. It's got a gourmet kitchen, everything that a chef could possibly want. Big stove, big fridge, nice countertop. Walk into the master bedroom. We have a very large master that exits out to the pool area, has a view from the bedroom windows. The master bath is extraordinary. All granite, huge tub, double counters for his and hers, large walk-in closet, and it's got a pass-through shower with a steam shower. As we go back through, you can see this amazing master closet, all the space for anything you need. On this side of the house, there's actually an extra bedroom that's used as an office and a powder room, and the laundry room. The other 3 bedrooms are at the other side of the house. Let's take a look at the outside. Take a look at paradise. Okay, out here we have a Baja shelf and a big pool, a jacuzzi, a fire table that's in a sunken conversation pit, a wood-burning fireplace out at the back of the property, and a casita. Next to that casita is a double RV garage and a 40-foot boat garage, along with the garage that's out front. You've got amazing sunset views out of here. It's a beautiful property, and you own almost to the top of that mountain. So here we are in our own private estate out in the middle of the Havasu foothills. You've got a wash on one side, so you've got complete privacy, and this huge yard so that you've got your own private oasis. Perfect place to live in Lake Havasu and still be close to town, but up in the foothill estates.